Apple has redesigned its emoji icons, and it's killing all the fun. The weird age of communicating by emoji is slowly dying as Apple's icons are losing their strange spark and becoming more literal representations of nouns. The new emoji designs are revealed in a preview of the next mobile operating system, iOS 10.2, which is out now for software developers to tinker with. You can see a few of them yourself on sites like Emojipedia. When this update becomes available to all, the first thing iPhone owners may notice are the brand new icons. Among them are expressions like shrug and facepalm. There are new foods and objects and animals, including a gorilla that everyone is calling Harambe because, well, this is the internet. There are also a wide range of new career-centric people with male and female versions of all these new workers. Apple didn't make up the categories. These come from the Unicode Consortium, a group that sets the standards for communication between devices. But it's up to each tech company on how they design the art. And now, as our phones are becoming flooded with more and more literal representations of various nouns and expressions, we're losing what made emojis so quirky. It forced folks to be creative in what emoji they picked to express themselves. But here's where Apple takes boring a step further. The original emoji have also been redrawn. The iconic apple peach icon was originally drawn in such a voluptuous manner that many used it to reference a round booty. But Apple's new look resembles a plain old piece of fruit, which is very disappointing, as can be confirmed by Twitter user Freckled Butt, clearly an expert on the manner of the derriere. Hopefully, even with all these changes, we can come together to find a way to keep the emoji creative spark alive and find a new butt. I'm Bridget Carey. You can keep up with the top tech stories at cnet.com/update.